Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actively plans and executes tasks to achieve a goal. Welcome to the world of AI agents. These aren't just sophisticated chatbots, they're autonomous systems designed to understand objectives, break them down into actionable steps, and then independently work towards their completion. From managing your calendar to optimizing complex business processes, AI agents are set to redefine how we interact with technology and automate our lives. So, how do these intelligent agents actually function? At their core, AI agents leverage advanced large language models, but with an added layer of autonomy. They possess memory, allowing them to retain information across interactions, and an ability to reason and plan. This means they can iterate on tasks, learn from failures, and even self-correct, all without constant human oversight. It's like having a digital assistant that truly thinks and acts on your behalf. The practical applications for AI agents are incredibly diverse and rapidly expanding. In personal productivity, they can act as hyper-efficient virtual assistants, managing emails, scheduling, and research. For businesses, imagine agents handling customer support, automating marketing campaigns, or even streamlining supply chain logistics. From code generation to scientific discovery, these agents are poised to take on complex, multi-step tasks that currently require significant human effort, freeing us up for more creative endeavors. The benefits of deploying AI agents are clear: unparalleled efficiency, scalability, and problem-solving capabilities. They can operate 24/7, process vast amounts of data, and identify optimal solutions far quicker than humans. This leads to reduced operational costs, faster innovation cycles, and a significant boost in productivity across various sectors. By automating routine and complex tasks, AI agents allow human talent to focus on strategic thinking and creativity, driving progress in unprecedented ways. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI agents also brings forth crucial challenges. Ensuring their ethical behavior, mitigating biases, and maintaining human oversight are paramount. Questions around job displacement, security vulnerabilities, and the potential for unintended consequences need careful consideration as these agents become more sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives. Developing robust frameworks for control and accountability will be essential for their safe and beneficial deployment. Looking ahead, the evolution of AI agents promises even more transformative advancements. We're moving towards agents that can collaborate with each other, form teams, and tackle even grander challenges. The potential for agents to contribute to scientific breakthroughs, environmental solutions, and personalized education is immense. As they continue to learn and adapt, these autonomous systems could fundamentally reshape industries, economies, and even our understanding of intelligence itself, paving the way for a truly augmented human experience.